It's a Jewish restaurant here. We're in the Jewish quarter.
Looks like a main square, let's say. And it actually has the same function as the main market square of the cities. Because the most people are located here on this one. There were also here. Just unique to the Europeans.
Jewish bookshop, tourist agency,
A ritual bath.
hummus and happiness, Israeli
The yeshivas, all the important things located in one place. Social life, religious life.
Israeli restaurant. The oldest synagogue, Orthodox synagogue, still working.
Esta es la sinagoga de Reviven. Es una de las tres sinagogas
Helena Rubinstein was born here in this
In the greenhouse, Helena Rubinstein's birthplace.
Quite poor family.
And
it
right
was very
next
common.
door is Hotel Rubinstein.
Yeah, there is also a hotel named after her. So
For some reason, the Jewish tour is very popular. And we have a big crowd in ours too, and we're bumping into other crowds here. The remains of the inscription indicate that this building was once a house of study of the Torah. It's still in Jewish town.
some of you do, yeah? But just in case I brought some pictures because many people don't remember this part of the movie. It's like 3 hours movie, yeah? So it's better to use some pictures.
Oh, okay.
As you see here, we are at the same place. Just in a moment I will show it to everybody.
Oh,
As you
yes.
see, we are at the same courtyard. You can recognize the same arch and the stairs. What else you can see on the picture? You can see that in the background there is a truck, and there is a lot of belongings like clothes and suitcases in the middle of this courtyard. In the movie, during the her name was Haya Dresner. Next to her, it's her daughter, down on the floor. But the people in the shelter told her that it's full already, and she doesn't have to worry for anything because she has a special document, Blauschein, which was allowing her to work and to stay in the ghetto. But during the ghetto,
We're going to the Jewish ghetto in Krakow. And we have to cross this bridge. It's a weird looking bridge.
Tutaj to nie wiem, ale przy zamku to by